Welcome to Hemry Exports. Another busy day at factory. In this episode, we will show you how used white t-shirt rags are processed, bale creation and customized packaging. This cleaning rag not only your product shine, it also benefits your commercial machinery or parts. First we remove dirty rags and short pieces from it. We cut rags into smaller pieces. We use full white t-shirts for production. Feel the soft cotton texture. Now, we do some water and fire test. This is 100% cotton rag, and it absorbs maximum amount of water. Second, we have fire test, to prove is this rag 100% cotton? And it passed the test. These rags are best used for oil. These knitted rags can use in your factories and machinery cleaning purposes. We do small packaging, as low as 1 pound. Now rags are going into baling machine. Hydraulic press going to press all rags to maximum limit. After completion of bale, mark each bale with marking tags. We do customized packaging, as per client requirements. For orders and details, contact us. Hemry Exports, House of Wiping Rags.